Hi, my name is Nurin Rania binti Sherza Muhammad. I am from SD4. My matrix number is 25002007, and right now I'm going to show you how I do my Excel ICT assignment. Beforehand, I will share my screen. So for question 1, question 2, So I think that is all from me. Thank you.